How to change account type on Robinhood. If you want to add your bank account to Robinhood to withdraw money, then follow these instructions. First, make sure that you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood. Now make sure to log in to your account. After you log in, you will see this home page, and here on the top you can see this search bar. Click on it and type in add bank account. Now you will see these different options. Here you can see this link bank option. Click on it. After that, you need to make sure that you have verified your identity. You need to upload photos of your government issued ID so Robinhood app can confirm it's you. Click on get started and access your emails for verification. Then you can add your bank account to Robinhood. So this is how you can add bank account to Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.